Good day, nosy people. So after me just get wake up out of my little nap and frightened for say, a Jamaica me reach our land, and this look like a sitting called Westmoreland. But then, when we reach this place here, me and sister walk up this long little bridge. By the way, for those of you who don't know me are the original Jamaican boss baby Royce. Don't forget me R. Then Pantapite, as me walk up that long old bridge there, my father I come tell me if I come in at this little barn, little place. I not even know what me there. I say, excuse me, no know what kind of occult thing or creepy thing rain about boss baby. No, them dopey things them already. Tell you that already. Akuya, skeleton, I really wish pa them come bring me, our kind of thing this them a come bring man, pa big weekday, Wait there, sister, come away from the fireplace before it burn you, you're just in everything, so, Mums, may I sweat, you have me that this long old shirt here, and next to this hot fireplace, cheese and peas, I wish pa were there, Then them a go to, some Halloween creepy thing, them a come try bring man, oh, this pretty. Wow, mums, a Jamaica with it? A Jamaica, oh, wish pa with it, mums, This nice. Miss a man will love the, French fries. Let me get one now. Cheese and peas, sister just a put her those little dirty hand in her things after she just touch up the things them, so, you not even hand sanitize your hand. Cheese and peas, let me get one now, sister. Una forget some me here. Me hungry. Una drive upon this long distance. Hey, server, get my mums one of them flight here. You know, she love her little wine. When me sales what them have pan them men here, I look like them have all of the fries and no give me none. Some mums here, mums. You order come in, see your drinks, you drink up, man, drink up. If them did have the whole barrel, pass here, would I get it fair. But anyways, that place your mums tell me say it called Bull Rock, and then them they look like them have a good soup because it cold up here, man. So you know man have to drink soup. So anyway, me order that little chili thing, yeah. And it look good. All the camera still no man, all the camera, why it's so flimsy. So anyway, see they have all the peas them in it. Me I taste it and tell you my honest opinion. It have a gravy flavor. This not too bad, it can go on it. Ooh, beautiful. Then we see this singer girl, hey, sweethearts, play some Bob Marley on the music guitar that we have. Sweethearts, hey, she pretty, Then, after we go for play, sister, run gone in the bush. Sister, this little girl is have man a cross cup a river rock a look fair. Sister, which part she gone, Me nah get in a trouble for you, man. Run gone off. You have to be peekaboo, Bush up here, peekaboo. Come, man. Come. Moms, sister here. You can't run off a run go a river bottom, You don't know when I water. Hey, father, me did tell sister, say, we not for run off, Me did I try find her, and me make she run off, father. I wish pa we are going I'm going to more bush again, jeez, and peace, pour me get ticks, And it cold out here, man, jeez, we couldn't stay up on the deck and buy mum some more beer. Where we are go walk in a bush, what we not even know, them people and them, but we want go hiking and them thing, yeah. Yes, it's a beautiful scenery. Come on, man. Come on, father. Me done it cold, it chilly. Let's go. Come on, sister. Tell this man you call father, let's go. Then, when we are trying go back up at top now, we see this big old tree in our pathway. See why we no fi stray off in a bush where we no know kakuya now. Now we get stranded. Sure. Cheese and peas. Now we like, Moms, pick me up. Maybe me fit. Me see something pan. Wait there. Father, you better not cross the river. I know if you drop me in a this, what if you ever drop me? Hey, my father thinks I'm a Jamaican too, Just because you married my mums were Jamaican, no mean say you are Jamaican, Do it the safe way and stick pon the path. If you drop me, I wet up my nice little shoes, them. I'm a nice little crisp yellow shirt. Me I go vex with you. By the way, this place overall, me give 10 out of 10 it nice. Come check it out.